As the CATS airdrop listing date draws near, token holders now have the option to withdraw their CATS tokens on top exchanges such as Bybit, Bitget, and KuCoin. This opens up more flexibility for managing CATS tokens and provides exclusive bonuses for early participants, alongside significant upcoming events like the Season 1 Snapshot. How to withdraw CATS tokens on major exchanges. CATS token holders can now easily withdraw their tokens through several major exchanges, including Bybit, Bitget, and KuCoin. These platforms offer users a convenient way to manage their tokens according to their preferred exchange. Bybit and Gate. To withdraw from these platforms, users must provide their UID, CATS deposit address, and memo. Bitget and KuCoin withdrawals require only the UID and the CATS deposit address. Special bonus for Bitget users. Bitget users can benefit from an exclusive CATS airdrop. The first 200,000 CATS tokens are available for early participants, with an additional 30,000 CATS tokens awarded on a first-come, first-served basis to those withdrawing through Bitget. Key events to watch: Season 1 Snapshot and CATS listing date. With the CATS token listing date and price becoming critical to the community, important upcoming events are worth keeping an eye on. The Season 1 Snapshot is set to take place on September 30th at 21 o'clock UTC, potentially influencing CATS rewards and future in-game developments. For those looking to earn more CATS tokens, visit the official CATS Telegram bot at CATSGangBot for additional farming opportunities. Stay connected, as the announcement of the CATS token listing date and price could significantly impact the airdrop and other rewards, greater accessibility, and future prospects. With major exchanges like Bybit, Bitget, and KuCoin now supporting CATS transactions, the token is becoming more accessible to users. This increased exposure gives holders more control over their assets while opening the door to maximize rewards. The CATS community eagerly awaits the airdrop listing date and price, both of which are expected to further increase the token's value and market reach. Conclusion: as the CATS token prepares for its official listing on multiple platforms, token holders can now withdraw and manage their CATS tokens with ease. Keep an eye out for further announcements regarding the airdrop listing date and price as CATS continues its expansion in the crypto market. Now is the time to stay engaged and make the most of these opportunities.